What is it? Mark Brogan.
Norm, it looks like a 1.25 inch copper by 1.25 inch galvanized female adapter in sweat.
All right, so it is a female adapter, which that's awesome. It is a cast brass 1.5 inch copper sweat by 1.5 inch female male adapter, otherwise known as a copper by female adapter. One side is what we call sweat solder. The other side is i.p.s, in this case, female. Not that hard. Again, these are the kind of things that you take for granted. We just kind of show them to you just to make sure you're seeing them out in the field, especially any of you who are working. Lots of different fittings. You hold something in your hand, you see somebody working with something, you don't know what it's called. You either use your phone to figure it out, because there's a lot of great apps now to identify any kind of stuff. It's not like back in the old days when we used to have rows of fittings in front of us and we had to name them. It's a lot easier for you all in this day and age with the smartphones and everything you have. So that is a cast brass copper by female adapter, 1.5 inch sweat by 1.5 inch i.p.s.